Removing the rear bumper on the F21 series. You don't necessarily need to remove the rear lights, but I'm going to remove this one to make it easier for you to see. At the very least, remove these plastic covers, as this is an area that the bumper is held into. Now under the plastic cover you've got a 10mm nut. Take care not to drop it into the bumper. Now you can grab the light assembly and pull it off these two mountings on the back of the fitting. Then you need to disconnect the wiring. There are just 5 8mm screws holding the rear bumper on. You need to remove these 2 lower screws from the wheel arch. And you've just got 3 more 8mm screws underneath. Remove the same 5 screws on the other side of the car. Pull the sides of the bumper out on both sides. If you've left the lights in position, then you'll need to tilt the bottom of the bumper out slightly. As this groove sits behind the light assembly. If you have removed the lights, then obviously this won't matter. You can see exactly where the clips are. So now you've got the wiring connectors for each parking sensor to remove. There are 4 of them, and then in the centre you've got the number plate light connectors to remove as well. All 4 of the parking sensor wiring connectors are like this. These are the connectors for the number plate lights. Now the bumper is completely detached from the car.